Good day everyone, my name is Angie Mead King and welcome to my YouTube channel, and this video is going to be like a table of contents. We're here now in Classic Speed Inc. and Classic Speed is my car shop along with Car Porn Racing, where we finish some amazing cars. And as you can see in the whole video that we're going to show you guys, that there's so many projects and brands that are located in the shop. It's barely the first week of January and the shop is so full and bustling with projects, and I want to go over some of the things that we're working on here. And infamously, as you guys know, the NSX that burned last year, that's going to get rebuilt, but not with Classic Speed. We're going to send that to David from HQ Engineering, and then we're going to cover that along the way. But the shop is finishing some amazing cars. First off, we have a lot of my RWB projects which are finished here. We do a lot of painting in-house, and you can see the quality of work. You can see cars like Ayanami, Archangel, Murasaki Shikibu, cars that we painted for the RWB family, also Kirsten. And then we're also working on some special cars like the DDE 550. The Maranello is here getting a radiator fan upgrade, and then later on it's going to get a Motec ECU. The FD RX-7, the rotary RX-7 is also here because that is getting a whole new transformation. We had some cooling issues. The last Mazda day, the car broke down on me, but it wasn't a big issue. We're going to resolve that this year. We're going to do some new items to the car just to make it more reliable and hopefully more streetable. I do want to dial the exhaust down so that I can bring it out on the road so we can do the meets with that car. Besides that, we have some amazing other brands here. We have the Super Performance Cobras, the GT40. We have the Toyota DX with an LS1. We have the Volkswagen Combis next door, which are getting Subaru motors. We have the Daytona over there on the other side, which is actually for sale if you guys are looking for one. We have the cars in the back projects, which are other BMWs. The Porsche Boxster behind there, very special project. You guys need to stay tuned for that. It's going to be transformed to something that we don't have yet in the Philippines. It's going to be the first and I think the only version of that car. And just to give you a hint, it is a full carbon body. It doesn't look like a Boxster at all. And I'm going to leave it at that. You guys have to follow and subscribe to the YouTube channel if you guys want to see more of these crazy builds, because I don't follow the algorithm. I don't follow the YouTube style of making sure to promote only content that the viewers are looking at. I want to shoot things that are inspirational, educational, and exciting for me, and sometimes it doesn't follow the YouTube algorithm, and I just want to make sure that we cover all the things on this channel in this video. Now, the back cars over there, you saw one of my 240Z Datsun projects. It's going to be crazy because that's going to be a fire-breathing RB28. We do have the Mach 1 of my brother. You guys like that video. We transformed a 2014 Mach 1 into a 1969 Mach 1 and it looks legit. We also have the Time Attack RWB Victoria, which is going to go back to car porn so we can finish most of the aero work, do some supporting structures, and bring that out on track this year. So beyond that, there's a ton of projects happening in the car shop, and again, we haven't even scratched the surface of finishing cars this year. We have all the classics over here, from the C4 Corvette, the C3 Corvette, down to the 65 and 66 and 67 Mustangs, all right behind me, needing finishing work. So Classic Speed does restoration up to the original spec, but we actually don't suggest this anymore. If you guys really want to use your car, you want to resto mod it, you want to update it a slight bit so that it becomes more reliable. Things like electronic fuel injection, new and improved braking system, new and improved cooling system, new and improved air conditioning system, those basic necessities that we would recommend to the client so that you guys can use your cars on a daily basis, and that's what we do here. Classic Speed is a one-stop shop. We do everything from the interior, the dyno tuning, to the electrical, to the mechanical, even the super rusted Impala next door and the Mustang next door. We're going to restore that to its former glory. We're going to make sure that we keep these classic cars away from the junk shop and back on the road where they belong, because they look so iconic. They are special to our clientele, and we want to make sure we deliver what is right for you guys. So stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, leave us a comment, and follow our socials on Facebook and Instagram. And if you guys want to know more, please check out the other videos on the channel. I'll see you guys again soon.